Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to Fscebook Tech Official. So in this video, we'll discuss how to create a Facebook page while using mobile phone. Facebook page. So you can make a Facebook page. In this video, your friends will teach you how to make a complete Facebook page that too in simple and easy words. How to make and let's start how you can make a Facebook page using a mobile phone, and I will also tell you about the things that should be take care of while creating a Facebook page. So let's start the video. I will request you friends that I if you are a complete beginner and not know how to create a Facebook page, and if you are a new users and not know how to create a Facebook page, a complete beginners, complete for watch video without skipping, and like and comment and share this video with your friends who are complete beginners. So in this video, the first thing you have to take care while creating a Facebook page is that the name of the Facebook page, that there is no another Facebook page with this name. It's because your search ranking is good and the name you have given whenever someone search for your page with this name, your page comes first. With this name come your first, and if this name is, if there are another pages of this name, then change your name of page and search something else so that your page come to the top when searching. So how to create a Facebook page? On while opening your Facebook page, and click on three dot at the top of the page. After clicking there, click on pages icon, so reach there. Now click on create page. After click tap here, get started. So after then you want to name this page, enter your name page. I'll write my Facebook page name. So I write my Facebook page name and click on next to reach other setting. One step is cleared and we reached in the second steps. Enter category, add category, choose your category, business hours, economy, e-commerce website. So select your category, first selected, and add this category once more. E-commerce website, and third category is player and search science and tech. I also create three category and click on next to reach third setting. So clicking clicking on next to choose your address, enter your to help people find which is location, enter your address where you are live, choose city, enter your address. Choose your city. I selected my city and address it. Click on next. So hence we have created Facebook page. You can see add image to this page. Use image that represents what this page about, like a logo. There will appears in search results. So click on a plus icon and upload an image. To upload it on net, you can see that processing to uploading image on your page icon. While moments after completing this process will show like this tab. So add another image to you, search any image to add this so after clicking there you can add another image to at the top of the page and click on done in your setting and save your page with this types. Hence we have created your Facebook page. So like video, subscribe videos, and share with video with your friends to how to create a Facebook page. I have created a Facebook page and search the Facebook page with this name. So thanks for watching video. If you're interesting, if you are any tech problems, comment me and solve this problem. So thanks for watching video. If you are new user of my channel, please subscribe my channel.